Kara. Good morning, everyone. I am exhausted. I don't know why. I think because I took a melatonin tablet before going to bed, so I woke up kind of groggy, but I woke up early, like early for me, so that was interesting. Today is Friday. I'm going to work, of course, and then afterwards we're going to the gym, which I almost died yesterday, so we'll see how today goes. And tomorrow I'm going to church, so I have to come home, shower, and go back to sleep. Okay, I think I'm gonna get ready early. I think I'm gonna try to leave at like 1:30. That way I can go get some coffee before work because I deserve it. I just put my hair back, but does it look cute? Should I go to work like this? I'm not going to. I'm not. I started editing the video and then I got distracted by watching YouTube videos and reading the news, and yeah. So I'm gonna quickly edit as much as I can and then do my makeup, and then I gotta head out the door because I need coffee before I go to work. Okay, I'm actually quite upset. My hair looks awful. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know. It looks like, I don't even know. It looks terrible. I hate when it's like I did all this prep work the night before for my hair to look nice, and then the next day it looks like crap. I don't know what to do. I think I might have to just pin it or something. I don't know, but if I pin it up it looks even worse because my hair looks greasy, which I don't know how that happened. I think it was from the coconut oil I put on it to make sure it stayed moist, but now it just made my hair feel gross. I say, this hair emergency, I have to fix this. Okay, I'm gonna say screw it and put a hat on. I don't want to deal with this anymore. I totally did not go to the gym today. My thighs really hurt. We did a lot of like lunges and squats, and I can't do it, okay? I can't do it today. I've decided to order fried chicken because I really want it. So I guess I'll do a little mukbang thing because that was something my sister suggested I do. So I'm gonna do it. I'm just, I ordered my chicken. I'm waiting for it to come. It might take a while, so until then I'm going to just hang out on my bed. Okay, I don't have the best setup, but welcome to my very first mukbang. I have ordered chicken. I have just regular fried chicken, and then the yangnam chicken, which is usually like a red sauce. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's spicy, depending on the place you get it from. I have not tried this chicken before, so I don't know. I hope it's good though. I also have ordered some moo, which is a pickled radish. It helps cut the grease because you don't want to keep eating the same texture over and over. It gets boring, so that's why Korean chicken usually comes with moo. And then I got some honey mustard because I love honey mustard, and it came with a free soda. This time it was cider. Usually they give you cola, so that was a nice little surprise there because I love cider. So I guess I'm gonna start eating. I'm starving. It's nearly 10 p.m. but yeah, I had to wait a while for this to come. Also, unlike regular mukbangs, this will probably not be a continuous shot because my camera, due to like frame rate, and I think my memory card in this camera, probably after about 8.5 minutes the video will cut. So if you see a jump cut, that's what happens. If I catch it, which I usually do, I will just go ahead and start recording again. If this goes over 8 minutes, I don't know. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to eat, but apparently in mukbangs it doesn't matter if you eat the whole thing, so that's good. I like Korean cider better than Sprite because it's a little sweeter. I feel like it gives that more flavor. So I'm using gloves to eat my chicken. So, okay, I'm gonna start with the red sauce because I want to see how it is. That looks good. It does smell sweet, so I think it's the sweet Yangnam sauce. Let's try. Yeah, it's definitely sweet. It's delicious though. I always like Yangnam sauce. Okay. This is so good because I'm so hungry. I haven't had Korean fried chicken in over a month. Do you guys like smacking? All the mukbangs I've seen, they smack, so I mean, that means it's good, right? I hope so. Mmm. I usually get sunsal chicken, which is boneless chicken. But today I just felt like bones. But that's why I'm wearing the gloves, because usually I just use chopsticks. I have my little baggie here to put my bones in. Oh, you know what? I forgot chopsticks for my moo. Let's try this moo today. How's this? That's very good. Most people, when they try moo for the first time, what gets them is the smell and the taste. It's a very strong, like, sour taste. But my advice is it's just like kimchi. If you could just keep eating it, it'll eventually taste really good. Okay, so I'm gonna try the regular fried, and I'm gonna dip it in my honey mustard. Let's taste. I mean, it's okay. This is definitely not the best fried chicken I've had, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Oh, that part was crunchy. That's good. What I love about Korean fried chicken is that I can't really tell what some of the pieces are. Like, I know the wing and the drumstick and the thigh, but sometimes I just get random pieces. Like, I don't know where they cut it from. Oh, it's fun. Yeah, I think I definitely like the Yangnam chicken better. This still isn't bad. I dropped a piece. I'm the kind of person, I like to clean the bone. And that's just how I've always been growing up. I don't take it too far. Like, I know some people, they take it way too far. Like, they eat everything on the bone, plus they break the bone in half and suck out the marrow, which I think is just overkill. I can't do that. There's no bone. I thought there was bone, but yeah, there was bone. Tiny bone. That's good. I'm trying to use chopsticks with my left hand. Not the best. Oh, I did it. I did it. So good. Okay, I'm gonna try a wing now. Oh, it's so good. I was so hungry today. I didn't really eat much today. I just had like a sandwich. I went to the convenience store and strawberries are in season right now. So they had the strawberry sandwich, which was just strawberries and whipped cream in between 2 pieces of white bread. But it was pretty good. It was like a little dessert. And I just had coffee. Like, yeah, I just drank coffee today. And water. I had water, but it was mostly coffee. I got to work and my boss had bought me an espresso shot. I was like, oh, you're so nice. And then I added hot water and made it an Americano. Oh, so good. Oh, my camera's still going. It might tap out at 10 minutes then. I don't know, I never pay attention. I know when I was doing my makeup tutorial, it like cut off at like 8 minutes, so I was like, oh, I guess it doesn't want to record anymore, but it's at 9 minutes now. It's gonna keep going. Yeah. Oh, I found a neck. I love the neck piece. I feel like my family, like, we fight over the neck on turkey, especially like Thanksgiving, because it's the best part. The meat is just so tender. On the chicken, it's okay. Yeah, so my camera, the time turned red, so I guess that's telling me that I'm running out of time. Oh. I do eat the cartilage. I think that's like the best part. I love the crunchy bit. I used to freak my friends out in elementary school because they were like, how can you eat that? I'm like, I don't know, because it's good. I got it from my mom.
It's 10 o'clock.
Oh, thank you, computer. My computer tells me the time. Okay, have more of this Yangnam chicken. I don't know what piece this is, but it's good. I'm gonna eat it. Dang it. The reason I wear a glove is so I don't get the sauce in my hand. Oh well. That was fun. Mmm. If I ever move back to the States, I'm gonna be really sad because I won't be able to eat fried chicken. Oh, the neck. Yes. Look at it. Oh, ooh. Mm. Oh, so next week is a holiday. It's like Chinese New Year. So in Korea we call it Seolnal, and people spend it with their family. So I have work off Thursday and Friday, so I have a 4-day weekend, which is nice. So me and Naomi are going to our boss's house with his parents, and we're gonna have a meal together because I have family here, but my family, they're more American, so they don't really celebrate Seolnal. They'll like either go on vacation or they'll just do something together. My uncle and like his wife. But so for me, I either like I go traveling or I just stay home. But this time it's nice like to spend time with like other people. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have like a meal together and just, you know, have conversation. And they're like my boss and his family are like the nicest people I've ever met in Korea. So I'm super excited to spend that time together with them. And I said I'd bake cake because they love when I bake cake. They love when I bake anything. Last time we got together, I made cookies with an Oreo inside. So it was like a chocolate chip cookie with an Oreo inside. And they loved it. They like ate all of it. Well, this time, my mom, when she came to visit in December, because she spent Christmas with me, she brought me Betty Crocker cakes. And so I'm gonna make one of those. I think I have a buttercream one. I think it's buttercream. I think I'm gonna make that one. But I don't know what kind of, like, because my mom didn't bring me any frosting, so I have to figure out if I can make like a, I was thinking making like a chocolate ganache topping. But we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Excuse me. Okay, I think this was part of the breastbone. It's like cut off weird. But either way, I'm gonna eat it. So good. I think this chicken would have been better if it had like cheese. They have a cheese chicken, but I just didn't order it. Usually by the time it gets here, it's not as crunchy. So the cheese like powder doesn't, it just makes it soggier, which I don't like. Nobody likes soggy fried chicken. I mean, should be wearing a second glove. This is not a one glove job. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, so good. More yum yum chicken. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna skip the chopsticks and grab my moo. Mmm. This hacked off piece. I have no idea what this is. It's not a wing. The bones are like right here. I don't know, Korea. Honey mustard's really good. It's not like American honey mustard. It's like sweeter. Because I don't think they're using honey. I think they're using like sugar or like syrup. Okay, so my battery's about to die. And I've eaten more than half the chicken. But I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you for watching. If you liked stuff like this, please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.